What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to today's video. Well actually, welcome to tonight's video. As you can see, it's nighttime right now. Earlier today I got wind of a really cool car meet that's going down tonight at one of the local spots, so I figured why not go check it out now. We're a little bit late, like I said, it was like last minute notice, but I saw like some IG stories of this meet and I gotta say it's crazy, so I was like, you know what, let's go check it out. Let's get to it. Yo guys, so we finally pulled up to the spot. Here we are, parked the S2 up beside this really nice M3 over here. There's some really sick cars out here. Right here is Ethan's sick M5 next to Sheldon's blue M3. Sheldon also had the silver S2000 super sick car next to this really nice EK hatch. I love this color on this EK hatch, by the way. As you guys can see, there's some really nice cars pulled up out here. Lamborghini Diablo over here, super sick cars, and just cars as far as I can see out here. 911 Turbo, GTR, another yellow S2000 over here, and Suzuka blue S2000 over here as well. Some super sick cars out here, guys. I believe I've seen this S2000 before. I'm not sure who the owner is, but really nice drop on this car. Gotta give it up to the S2 fam with a nice set of white 5s again wheels. And look what we spotted, another yellow S2000.
There you go, Scuba Steve.
What's up? Hey, you already know what it is.
Welcome.
What's good, what's good?
Add me on, you know, Instagram, Ramsey_Balkus. Hey. We drink Coronas.
So where's your car at?
It's over there. I like it, bro. Once you paint that top, it's gonna look sick.
You, man.
It's gonna look sick, bro.
Yeah. Since like the first video that I made for this channel.
Really?
Yeah, remember?
Oh, that's crazy. Now I'm the whole video.
Yeah, there you go. The Acura Honda Classic video, like way back in the day.
Where I met everybody at. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah, that was the last time. Yeah, that was the last time I seen you. Crazy, damn, bro. That was crazy. Like last year, wasn't it?
Yeah, I traded that car in. I got the Passat now. It's a VR6.
Oh, nice. Okay.
You know, downsizing, but upsizing in the crib. You know, buying the house. That's the goal right there. M3. Dual camera. You gotta film my fish tank, bro. I got a big saltwater tank.
Oh, word?
It's got so many fish, corals, everything.
Yo, hit me up.
You know, also because I got all the UV lights and everything.
Alright,
so
for sure. Yeah.
Make it look fresh.
Let me know. I'll slide by one day. We can do that.
Man. It's for Rams. You know, start it up. Let's go.
This parking lot was a lot fuller before. I believe they said cops pulled up and a lot of people kind of dipped out, but hey, you know, that's understandable. Back in the day, we actually used to have meets over here. I would say that was like 10 years ago that we used to have meets in the same exact spot. It's kind of like all the way over there, more on that side. Unfortunately, like 10 years ago, a fight broke out, cops got called, and the meet got shut down for good. So it's really nice to see them bring this meet back up, kind of start it back up with some really nice cars as well. As you can see, another white M3 and a GTR over here. S13 with the S14 Cookie conversion. This is pretty cool, different. And I like this pearl paint job as well. The Bozoku style exhaust. Something tells me that this car gets slid a lot. I don't know why, but something tells me that this car gets slid around a lot. This M3 Coupe is sick. This E92 M3 Coupe on TEs, gold TEs. Of course, you can never go wrong with a set of nice TEs, right guys? C63 AMG. Super sick car. These guys don't play around at all. Look how sick these cars are, guys. There's just something about a ZR1 that just demands attention. No matter how much time goes by, these cars are always timeless. Especially love this GTR here. I believe this is the Mind's Wing. Looks so good.
Yo, what up, bro? What's up?
Good to see you, man. How you doing? Man, how's everything?
Chilling, bro. I've been getting good work, like just filming. That's all I do.
Yo, and you're traveling a lot, right?
Yeah.
I see that, bro. Those shots are sick. I commented on your video. I don't know if you saw it or not, but bro, like I gotta tell you, now that I see you in person, those shots are so sick, bro. Like, honestly, like I was watching
like some cinematography.
Yeah, oh yeah. Like this stuff is like more like vlog based, you know what I mean? But at the same time, like seeing your work inspired me just to like take my videos over the top. I'm not there yet, you know.
Wait, are one of the, that's yours?
That one's mine, yeah.
It's my boy Scuba Steve.
What's up, man? How you doing?
He's the one that owns
okay. It's AP2?
Yes.
04? Okay, we were talking about that.
Yeah. Is this on yours?
He has that one.
I have a blue AP1.
Oh, okay, yeah, you know, I've seen that car before.
Okay.
I can't remember where, but I know I've seen that car for sure before. Yeah, so it's really nice to meet you, man.
You too. Yeah. I'm selling the wheels right now, but I mean, I'm not in a rush to sell them because like I like the fitment and all that, and I want to keep them.
Aren't those discontinued as well?
Yeah. They're discontinued, so you know I'm gonna slide on them until like I feel the actual, until I get an offer that I want. But I have another set of wheels, so like if I need to sell them, I will. But I don't know what I'm looking for. I just like authentic, like Japanese stuff, you know?
You guys know you want them, so you might as well hit them up.
That's the OEM hardtop?
Yes, that's the OEM hardtop. Yeah.
I remember you told me like how you got that, or I saw the video and it was like a crazy story.
Exactly, yeah. It was in Naples. I ran out there, saw it, and I was just like, all right, I'm gonna get it. Like it was literally on a whim, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Car, I did the dyno. It's already dynoed at 400 horsepower with 450 torque.
And what's done to it?
Just regular intake, downpipe, charge pipe, big front mount, and that's about it.
Nice.
And custom tuned by LP Tuning from Puerto Rico. They actually the fastest Golf R worldwide. That's beating like Hellcats.
So do they tune it remotely or how?
Yeah, they actually send me the file. I'll upload it. I'll do a data log on it, and then he'll send me another file. It keeps like readjusting it. So I'm running like an E40 blend right now. The next upgrade would be fuel pumps, and then I should be close to 500 at the wheels.
Here's Roy's super clean S2000. The nice of the V3s and the spoon calibers. This is the man, the myth, the legend himself. Man, this car, guys, I gotta say, this is one of the cleanest OEM plus S2s I've ever seen. There's something about V3s, guys, that are just so sick on the S2000. Roy's drop just pulls it off so well with these things. Look at that fitment. You can't get much better than that. Of course, because this car's so low, of course you have to roll the fenders a little bit, but hey, you know, that's expected, right? This is a daily driver, super sick car, and I love this setup, especially on V3s. And these Recaros stand out so nicely. I love the theme of this car. This OEM plus build is just next to none. There's just something about OEM plus builds that you gotta love for sure, right? The Kevlar spoon snorkel. I know it was last minute, but I'm so glad I came out here. Sick is that, guys. That is awesome. What do you guys think about the wing deletes on Porsches? I think they look so great with the rear wings. What do you guys think about the wing deletes on Porsches? Yo! That thing is ridiculous. Guys, that thing is insane. Jeez. Respect for that, man. Hey, respect, man. Thank you. You guys have a good night.
My car too?
Hey, let's do it. Some really sick cars out here, guys, and some really nice people. You know, that's one thing that I love about the car community, is that everyone's really just so cool. We're out here for the same things, just revving our cars and having a good time, right?
Don't forget about the Honda, man.
Hey.
Gotta give the Honda love.
I can't, you know, I'm a Honda boy myself, man.
Really?
Hey, so
Shout out
guys,
to the vlog, bro.
what y'all doing? What y'all doing? How y'all doing?
Shout out, boss. How you doing, man? See me on YouTube one day. Maybe you get lucky. I'll give you a shout out too, like he's doing one day.
Hey, there it is.
Doing your thing.
There it is.
Make it big in life. Make your dream come true.
There it is.
It's all love, man. Good luck with everything.
Thank you.
Like and subscribe, y'all. Like and subscribe. Come on, man.
So what's up, man? What y'all got done today, man?
It ain't that much.
Okay.
It's a D16 relaxer. I got a D16. Obviously, it's a single cam. I don't got that much power, but I will be swapping it soon. I has two-step. I have a P28 computer tune with a base map two-step. If you guys seen on May Movement's page, I'm two-step winner of the contest. Yeah, man. Future plans. She's gonna be very purple.
Nice.
Beautiful, like a chrome, deep, like silky purple, purple underglow. Swap it to a B series. Don't know yet. I don't know if I'm gonna go B20 or B18. I don't know. Obviously turbo. Yeah, man. That's so far what I'm gonna do.
Nice.
I can still run faster than his car. Wait until case swap.
I don't know. That's gonna be a tough one there.
Yeah, it is what it is, man.
Great meeting you guys, man.
All love, bro. Good luck with everything, dog.
You too. Be safe, guys.
Thank you, bro.
Really nice M3. Nice car, bro. 720S over here. Sitting so pretty. One of the best colors for the 720S in my opinion. Listen, I'm not even gonna front like I know what this color is called, but what I do know is that I really like it. This thing is sick, guys. Super sick Lamborghini Diablo. I can't tell you the last time I've seen one of these guys on what looks to be Work Meisters. Either Meisters or SSRs. Either way, sick as heck. Guys, this is definitely goals right here for sure. I remember seeing this car in music videos back in the day and seeing one in person years later. So sick. We can't forget about this ACR Viper as well. I think the last time we've been to a show like this was Cars and Coffee Palm Beach months ago. What a really nice turnout. And apparently this isn't even all the cars. There were more cars before.
The only set they have left is
Take a whiff, bro. How good does that smell?
I remember.
Yeah.
I like the blue one better.
That JDM squash. There's nothing like that.
Best,
there's nothing like that for sure. Here we go. So Paul, you said this is a 2.0.
2.0
Yeah.
6062 on E85.
Wow. That's crazy. And how much power does she make?
510, but I'm on a single disc clutch, so that's all I wanted to do.
Okay, nice. Until the new setup comes
Until the
in.
new setup
I don't know
comes.
if you want to disclose what the new setup is, but
Yeah, of course. I'm just going to do the valve train, and I'm probably going to, I want to go 700 all-wheel drive.
nice.
1989 Wago van.
There it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't want to pay $3,500 for 30-year-old parts, but I got it.
This thing is sick, man. I especially love the color, and of course, you can't overlook the 5 lug. Soft, right?
Of course.
On the ITRs.
Listen lugs, but I don't care, bro.
Oh.
We'll get the lugs figured out.
There you go. Oh man, this thing is amazing. And is that the BYS front bumper? Is that?
Yeah.
Nice.
I had the carbon fiber hood, but I sold it.
Okay.
Just to get some parts for the turbo.
So now that this is all on YouTube, this is gonna stolen.
Never. It sits in a warehouse its whole life.
So low key.
Low key.
So actually, I'm lucky that I was able to see this car.
Low key. I rarely take this thing out, bro.
What's up, man? Hey, listen. Looking at this thing, I don't blame you for really taking this thing out, man. There's the Diablo. That Diablo is sick, guys. Let's see if we can catch a little bit of it through the bushes here. Guys, that JDM squash smells like nothing else. I love that JDM squash smell, by the way. I gotta get that for my car. I absolutely love seeing clean examples of the golden era Hondas, just like this one. Such a clean example of this car. Another Honda leaving over there. So yeah, this is for sure a beautiful hatch. What do you think, Sheldon?
Oh, great.
You ready to race with the M3?
Hell no, I'll get spanked.
One day I gotta get one of these. Man.
That's crazy.
It's not, the interior's not done how I want it.
Yeah.
You don't gotta say anything.
We just made it home from the meet. It's pretty late, so I'm tired. Long day, exhausting day, but a really fun day. Huge shout out to everybody who showed love and support at the meet. It was really unexpected. It was kind of like spur of the moment that I decided to go, but I'm really happy that I was able to make it out there, and I saw some amazing cars out there. Met some really cool people. Kicked it with some old friends that I haven't seen in a long time. It was really nice seeing a lot of people that I haven't seen in a long time. Since we all haven't been able to go out for so long, it was cool just being able to catch up with people and meet some really cool people as well along the way. See some old friends and meet some new friends. You know, that's always a good thing. Chop it up about cars. You can't ask for much more than that, right? So overall, it was a really fun night, and it was a really great turnout. And that Lamborghini, that Diablo, really stood out to me on I think it was Work Meisters. It was such a dope car that I was really happy that I was able to capture that and show it to you guys as well. But like I said, guys, it's been a long day. I'm about to knock out. So just like that, we've reached the end of today's video. As always, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to smack that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.